Good afternoon, boys and girls. I can see from the wee window there that I've got my yellow head teacher tabard on. I've just been out to the school gates. Oh my word, the litter this morning. So I took 2 litter pickers and I started picking the litter up, and loads of kids wanted to come and help me. So if you see me, Miss Huxford, Mrs. Brown, Miss Wright, Mrs. Farmer at the school gates, Miss McLean, then give us a shout. And if you want to help us pick up some litter, we take such a pride in our school, and it's really annoying when people at the weekend dump rubbish outside our school. So we'll try and keep things nice and tidy. It's another Vision and Values assembly, and we had our Easter assembly. I think it was our last assembly. And next week's going to be our Ramadan Eid assembly, so I'll tell you all about Ramadan at the moment that some of our Muslim children are celebrating or taking part in at the moment, and then I'll tell you about Eid, which is going to happen in a wee while. But this week's assembly is about equality. So I want to show you a wee slide. So this slide is all last week's Gracie races, and in terms of our Gracie values and inspiration, I take massive inspiration from you guys who try so hard each week. So well done. 101 different reasons why all you people were Gracie racers last week. And in terms of our Gracie races and our head teacher award, for our 8 stickers, boys and girls, that's probably not going to happen. There are some changes happening in Scotland, so lots of normal shops are open today. Some mums and dads may be getting their nails done. Pubs are open, restaurants are open. So we're getting back to some normality, but I can't take lots of different people. So I'll work out a way to give a celebration. It's not going to be away from school, and it probably won't be in class. I'll work out a way to give a special award to those people who've got 8 stickers. So well done, all you guys. I know there's quite a few. And also, well done to all those people that have been wearing their helmets to school. So I've made a big fuss, and I've shared with mums and dads where you can get cheap helmets, but it's great to see so many people cycling to school and so many people wearing their helmet. Just to let you know, we've got some new cycle racks, because some days we've got so many we can't all fit. And the new cycle racks are just by the nursery up in the primary 3 playground. They're nice and safe there because that door gets shut. Okay then, so our Gracie vision and values. We all know about our Gracie vision values. Can you all point to where it is in your room? Yep, it should be up in every single classroom. Teachers, if you've not got a poster, please come and get one from me, but it should be up in every single classroom. So we all know our Gracie vision and values, and the reason I keep going on about it is because, if we don't keep talking about it, then it's nonsense. It's not worth it. And we do keep talking about it, and we do keep referring to it, and that's exactly what we want for our school. I'm very proud of you all, and I'm proud of all of you who uphold our Gracie values. So that's the one we're going to do this week. We know we all matter, and we challenge those who treat others unfairly so that everyone feels included. I couldn't quite see the last one because my face is over it. So I've got the poster in my room as well that you can see behind me. So I want you to have a wee chat with your shoulder partner, a wee chat, so you can pause this. I'm giving up on the live assembly as I came around and told you. Our team's so annoying. So this is on YouTube. I want you to pause the assembly teachers. I want you to have a wee chat with each other about what equality, what being equal means. We know that we all matter. We challenge those who treat others unfairly. So have a wee chat and talk about what equality means. Okay, right, hopefully we're back now. You might have got 101 different definitions. So it's interesting, equality, because equality can mean lots of different things, but it's about giving people opportunities. And other questions for us to consider about how we show each other that we're all equal. And then the big test is what you should do if someone is not being treated equally. and then thinking of an example when someone has treated you equally. So I've got some wee examples that I want to share with you now. Okay? We know that we all matter. You matter. But just as we've been talking about, different people like different learning styles, different people like different ways of working, different people like different things, we have to understand that not everyone is the same. So treating everyone equal is interesting because sometimes we need to have a little bit of understanding about how everyone is slightly different. So we do, though, challenge those who treat others unfairly. And here's a great quote by someone called Edmund Burke. It says, "The only thing necessary for the triumph of evil is for good men, or good women, good men to do nothing." Do you know, we are a team in our school. And if we see stuff that we don't like and we do nothing, then that isn't a positive situation. We will never have a great culture in our school. So it's important that we all act together. So I've got some scenarios for you, got some wee examples for you. We have to challenge those who treat others unfairly, but we have to do it in a way which is non-violent, which is assertive, but won't get us into big trouble. So I'm going to talk to you about some different scenarios, some different things, okay? And I want to know what you would do, how you'd react, how you could take responsibility in a peaceful manner, all right? So imagine you're observing these scenarios, all right? 1. A primary 7 calls a primary 4 a horrible name. Now I know you have to imagine, because primary 7s, I know you wouldn't do that, but primary 7 calls a primary 4 a horrible name. Okay, I'm going to get you to pause just now and think about what you might do about that one. Right, hopefully you're back again. I just have a little bing when I want the teachers to pause. Right, the second example, 2 of your friends are fighting in the playground. What would you do? Okay, teachers, pause. Have a wee chat about that one. All right, hopefully you're back again. You see someone skipping in the line. That might be your class as a line order and they're not in the line order, or it might be they just skip into the front. What would you do about it? Okay, have a discussion about that. And you're back again. The last one, a group of primary 6 girls teasing another girl. Now it could be primary 6, could be primary 5, could be primary 4, could be primary 3, but a group of girls teasing a little girl. What would you do about that? Okay, have a discussion. Okay, so you would have had a discussion with your teacher. Might have fallen into 3 different things. It might be you did nothing. And you know what? I really hope that you do something. It might have been that you lashed out. Somebody was in line, you pushed them. Might have been that you hit them, or it might have been that you used nasty words. That's not really positive. You know, we say about trying to find solutions in a peaceful manner, certainly in a non-violent manner. But I do want you to stand up for yourself and stand up for other people. So the last thing, hopefully this was where a lot of your answers were, you have to find a solution. And your teachers will help you find a solution. And you know what? For a lot of those things, it's the adults in school that will help you find a solution. But by primary 6, primary 7, hopefully you're finding solutions yourself. So finding a solution is what we want. I want you to do a class task, okay? I want you to pick different people in our school community and discuss why they matter. Anyone in the school. And then I want you to pick one person. Could be a child, could be an adult, could be anyone, and just send a special message to them, okay? Just tell them what you think about what they're doing, all right? I keep going on about teamwork in our school. I know that. If we work together as a team, if we all look at our values together, and if we all have that shared understanding, then we'll be an amazing school. Sometimes people won't adhere to the values, but you know, if we talk about it and we try and get a resolution, we try and get some restorative meetings, hopefully we can get back on track and all take part in our values. Okay, our assembly has been 10 minutes and you've been watching it and you've been pausing, so it might have taken a bit longer. And I've probably gone around the classes just to see how you're getting on, because a live assembly has been really hard. I hope to see you soon, boys and girls, and I will love it when we all get back into a proper assembly. But until now, we're going to keep using YouTube. Okay, speak to you later. Bye.